All right, here we go. You might have seen brushes like this, that have sat in a bucket of water, because you didn't clean them. And I know it's something I've done a lot in the past in my career. So I know I've done it. I know of other painters out there have done it. You let them set in the bucket of water because you think you're going to clean them at the end of the day, and you don't. And you don't clean them the next day, and you don't clean them the next day. And they set in there, and they eventually turn out like this when you pull them out of the bucket of water. Now, I saw somebody on social media recently that said when your brush looks like this, that it's no good and you're gonna have to throw it away. And I believe that's simply not true, but we're gonna put it to the test. So this brush sat in a bucket of water on purpose because I wanted to bend it like this and show you that you can restore a brush. Now, I could have done one that is one of my brushes in the past, but now, I'm pretty conscious and aware. I clean my brushes daily before I end my day, so I don't have this happen. But it's repairable and it's restorable. All you do is take hot water. You can use hot tap water. It doesn't have to be boiling water, but just take your tap water, get it really, really hot as will go, put it in your bucket, set it in there. And what's interesting is it softens your bristles. It softens them and allows them to go back into their shape. They naturally want to go back into the shape that they were originally in, and that's straight. The only reason they're bent is because the weight of the brush is pushing down on the brush in water, and when the filaments are in water, they're actually really soft, and that weight bends the brush. Now I'm going to put this to the test. I'm going to put some super hot water in this bucket, and I'm going to show you. It's typically, when it's happened to me in the past, in a few minutes, it actually softens it up, makes it so they're straight again, and then you just set it out to dry or put it in your into your brush cover, and your brush is fixed. So here we go. Let's put it to the test. We're getting some hot water right here. I got a hot water tap in the garage right here. Now it's getting pretty dang hot. So that's pretty hot, and that's just hot tap water. Now I'm just going to fill my bucket up with some hot tap water right here. Let's see how fast it softens these filaments up and see if we can restore this brush. So this brush is a Chinex filament brush. So it's a Chinex filament brush. Now I'm gonna get in there. It's starting to soften it up. Now watch how quick my brush starts to go back into its shape. It's already going back into shape. The brush wants to be straight. That's how the brush was made, and the brush likes to be straight. And so there, it's just about straight. I'm gonna let it set in there. I'm gonna get my wire brush, and I'll wire brush it and clean it real quick. So now I'm just gonna brush out my filaments down here, because I did have a little bit of leftover peel bond. I use this brush to peel bond. So now I'm gonna just clean it. Straighten out my filaments. Look at that. We're talking just like a couple minutes. And I like to leave it super wet like this. Now I'm going to set this thing out in the sun to dry. And it's interesting. You can, if you want to shape it a little bit more so it holds its shape, splayed out a little bit, you can splay it out, or just like that. So I'm going to set it just like this out in the sun, and there, voila, it's fixed in a matter of minutes. It's not ruined. All right, there you have it. So the brush, it's still wet. I'm going to let it dry out. So just to give you an idea, this brush has actually been bent like that in this bucket, getting ready to make this video for, I think, about maybe 2 months, 3 months probably. But it's wet. I can set it out to dry, or I can just once again, put it back into a brush cover, and it's gonna dry, and it's gonna have its shape right back, and it's back to life. Very simple tip to restoring your paintbrush. If you got any tips or tricks about restoring your favorite paintbrush, just leave it down in the comment section below. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I come out with a new tip, trick, or hack right here on Paint Life TV. And once again, we'll see you next time right here on Paint Life TV. Out.